So usual itong butang ang marka ang yang oil drain plug. So pagtanggal na to, naka-align din siya. Yan po ang ano, na hindi natin maiwasan natin yung overtow to. Okay, so by the way, this is the engine, or this is the car that I changed the timing chain before, like a year ago, because the timing chain is bad and it is appearing on the dashboard like camshaft sensor. So when the camshaft sensor appears, literally that's referring to timing chain, more or less, camshaft or crankshaft sensor. After the change, the timing chain was changed, and then the owner said it didn't come back on. So it's good. It's a year ago, timing chain changed. It is on our channel. If you can look, you will see the timing chain on this one. Tight at first. Fire up and I'm Ikabit na natin yung kabila din na brake pads and brake discs. So pati ang retainer pin na ibalik na din natin. Nakita nyo, retainer po yan. Pagka mayroong mga ganyan, talaga ibabalik yan dahil yan po ang tutulong sa pag-retract, no? Mag-retract after the brake pads being fresh, like squeeze in like that, and then it will help retract after you release the brake pedal. After you release the brake, it will retract on its own, like it will expand like that, retract. It will help the ABS also to retract. Okay, that's a very helpful thing. And then yeah, so nilagyan natin ng grasa yung kanyang slider, both sides, para ano siya, mag-move siya freely once the brake is applied. And then yeah, so yung brake retainer both sides is na ikabit na natin, both sides, as you can see. Okay, so yan po ang katulong ng ABS sa pag-retract ng brake, no? I-retorque na natin to. So again, naibalik na natin yung yung kanyang retainer on both sides. Ito kasi yung ano nag-retract, no? Once the brake is applied, nagre-retract ito. Katulong ito sa ABS na mag-retract ng kanyang brake pads, papalayo ng kanyang brake disc. Once the brake is applied, it will retract, and it also help the ABS to like retract, which is when the brake is applied. So ibabalik nyo po yan. Okay, and then meron lang siyang dito sa kanyang wishbone bushings, meron siyang cracking, but it's not really bad. It's still acceptable on the NCT, so we will not touch that one, but we will let the owner inform that the wishbone rearmost bushing is cracking. Other than that, still good shape. Come here, my friend.
Yeah.
See that there? That's the rear wishbone bushing, yeah? Rear bushing.
Pushing, yeah.
It's cracking,
Yeah.
but that is still acceptable on the NCT.
They will look that.
That will still pass the NCT.
Still pass.
Yeah.
Thank God.
It's not really bad, like, but we will see.
We do it with oil or grease or anything?
What?
Oil
No.
or
You will keep worsening them.
more worse.
Oil is not good for the rubber, you know. When you apply oil to the rubber, it's not good. It will just
So that's a difficult job or easy?
kind of. That are expensive, yeah.
Huh? Depends.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah.
The cost price. Cost.
Yeah. Also the installation is expensive.
Around how much?
Okay.
How many around?
Huh?
How many?
It depends on what you have. Huh?
And how you know the,
Engines, engines, too much money, engines, so it's very
Oh.
expensive for the engines. Huh?
oh, that's the engine
Yeah.
bring down.
No, engine, if it is engine, that's very expensive. Because engines, too much money. Huh?
I kill you.
Too much money, engine, so that is expensive. Okay?
My God.
Yeah?
You,
From now on, that is expensive. Because engine, too much money.
no, your
Ah.
wife's salary,
Oh.
Indian's wife's salary, all same.
But this one here is a little bit worse than the other side,
Yeah.
as you can see. But that's still, acceptable on the NCT. We will see when will be the NCT of yours. Like next
January.
month? Next month.
Yeah.
Okay.
But when this work, I will, book the NCT.
Okay. All right. And then pump the brake, yeah.
Pump the brake, yeah.
Pump the brake pedal until it get hard. Okay. Pump.
Go in.
Yeah. Pump, yeah. Slowly, yeah. Pump until it get hard. It's hard now. So hold it. Hold. We're going to retorque.
Really?
No. Yeah. Torque. Wait. Doing the other side as well, yeah? Okay. Okay, release. Yeah. Okay. sounds. Enough.
Enough, yeah.
Okay. No sounds. See that? The reason why it has a sound, see this?
Yeah.
So this
Yeah,
is
yeah, this one hitting the metal.
yeah. This is the
Make noise.
brake pad wear indicator.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So it's touching already, see that?
Yeah,
It's
this one
very-
hitting the thing.
the
this.
brake disc, okay?
Oh yeah.
That's what's making the sound, okay?
Oh yeah. Kir.
Yeah. Check the oil level. Oil level is here, okay? Just put the brake now. Then we start the engine and then we will check again the engine.
But when did you last look at health insurance? For you or those you care about, with the Health Insurance Authority in Ireland, it's free.
More likely 4.5 liters.
Compare every health insurance plan with white collar fee. The Health Insurance Authority. Plan a road spent well. Make your next trip count. HIA.gov.au. The Health Insurance Authority's regulatory body.
Get inside.
Yeah.
So timing chain changed about a year ago
You have chicken here?
and very silent.
That's
No,
good.
no vibration, no anything.
That's good.
It's good. Okay.
Yeah, 1 year ago. Yeah.
So there's no lights on the dashboard, yeah?
No.
Nothing. Okay, red, yeah?
Right?
Red. Press, yeah? Okay. Turn off. We will check the level again. Okay. So there's the oil circulate already, so
Everywhere,
it's-
yeah. You can't see.
It's here. It's on the middle. It's on the middle.
Middle.
Okay? See that?
Yeah, more near.
No. Because the oil circulates,
Yeah.
and when it circulates,
Yeah.
so that's the normal thing.
Come
Once-
here. Come to there. Yeah.
Once it circulates,
Yeah.
the oil goes down to the middle.
Yeah.
Once the engine stop, it will go back to full.
Oh.
Okay?
Yes.
And that's okay. That's
No.
good.
That's okay.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. In case low, I will top up.
Yeah. Don't top up too much. See? That's good level.
That's good level.
Yeah. So don't top up, just check before you top. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 4 liters. 4 liters. 4 liters to be exact, or 3.8. That's it. So guys, ito yung sasakyan. Hyundai i40, no? I mean i20. Ito yung bago niyang bili sa kasa na 3 months after paglabas ng kasa, mayroong lumalabas na timing. I mean dashboard sign. It's saying timing. So pinalitan natin ng timing chain. Bago ng timing chain ito, about a year ago. And then tahimik, walang problema. Timing chain, no problem. And it's running good, very good. And we have this on our video during the replacement, no? We have our video. So just put additional coolant in here. Okay, until it's full, and then yeah, full coolant, yeah. Slowly, yeah. Okay, and that's it. So coolant, brake fluid. Brake fluid is okay. It's on the maximum. That's good. Okay. Check the label again. Kita tingnan. That one. Dito. Check this one. Huh? Oh, so it's maximum. See that?
Yeah.
That's maximum. Okay. Okay, I'll put this down and that's it.